Hi, I'm Philip from Freedrum, and we're building an instrument and app so that you can drum along to your favorite music. We launched Freedrum via crowdfunding 4 years ago to give drummers all around the world a way to practice anytime, anywhere. After reaching over 400% of our goal thanks to our community, we're back to introduce the next generation of our instrument and software service.
Originally, our app gave you what you needed to drum anytime, anywhere. Now we've added tools to teach you to drum along to your favourite music. Just choose your song. We'll show you the notation and then we'll tell you how accurately you're playing to your favourite music. Share your creations with the world. Just by hitting record, our app will grab your video as well as your drumming playback. Set yourself goals and track how you've improved over time. We'll show you the songs you've mastered, what you're playing and what you should consider playing next based on your preferences. We'll do this by capturing your practice time, your intensity, and naturally your accuracy as well.
We've totally revised the architecture of our sensors. The way that they communicate with each other and your smartphone, tablet or computer gives you the most accurate virtual drumming experience ever, specifically aimed at addressing drift. The sound is then produced with unperceivable latency to your wired headphones or speakers. To make virtual drumming feel even more like you're playing behind an acoustic kit, we've integrated our technology within our US Hickory drumsticks for better weight distribution. For those of you familiar with our first product, we've also added highly requested features such as haptic feedback, so you can feel the drums as you strike them in the air.
It feels like the drum is here.
I really like the vibration part because it feels more authentic, like a huge impact on the experience.
The floor tom is way more vibrating and the snare, and that's how it's supposed to be. You know?
You have sort of the same feeling as a real drum set.
You'll also be able to choose between your grip style. And finally, heel up for both the hi-hat and bass drum.
We delivered the rewards from our first campaign 9 months after we were successfully funded.
Since then, we've produced 70,000 Freedrum sensors and shipped our products all over the world. We're back to ask for your help once more to build the future of drumming for all.
Thanks so much for watching.